Hey everyone, this is Isham and welcome to the TWH workouts. Today we are going to do a chest workout that will only consist of push-ups. A circuit of 5 different exercises, and now let's get into how to perform each and every exercise, and I am going to show you the low impact version for each exercise so that these workouts will be suitable for everyone from any level. Let's get into it. Alright, let's begin with the first exercise, staggered push-ups, 5 reps, and start in a push-up position. Place the hands staggered with one higher than the other, go down, and as you come up, explode up off the ground and change the position and repeat. And to make it a little bit easier, you can do it without jumping off the ground. Just normally change the position and go down, up, change it again. And to make it easier, you can do it on your knees. And the second exercise will be up-down plank push-ups. Begin in a full elbow plank. Put your right hand on the ground, straighten your elbow. Do the same on the left side. Follow that by 2 clean push-ups, and that counts as 1 rep. And to make it easier again, you can do it on your knees. The third exercise will be shoulder tap push-up. Do a normal push-up, and as you go up, lift your right hand to tap your left shoulder. Then do another push-up and lift your left hand to tap your right shoulder. The fourth exercise would be side plank push-ups. Do 1 push-up, and as you come up, shift your weight on the left side while bringing the arm up towards the ceiling. Then lower it back to the floor for another push-up. And for the low impact version, you can do it on your knees, and instead of lifting your hand to the ceiling, just lift it to the sides. Last exercise is diamond to white push-ups. Begin with an explosive diamond push-up, and as you go up, change it to a wide grip and repeat. And if it's too hard for you, you can do it without jumping, just a normal diamond push-up. Go up, slowly change the position, and come down, up, change it again. And if it's still too hard for you, you can do it on your knees. Now that we know how to perform each exercise, let's get into the workout. That's it everyone, that was the workout. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and you can do that circuit from 3 to 5 times depending on your level. And don't forget guys, tons of water and healthy food. See you!